it's Mrs. A. I thought I'd make a little video to give you all some ideas of ways that you can make an art space, a dedicated art space in your own home. Especially with school starting in a few weeks, it's good to start habits that allow children to go to a special place and create. So I have dug the little table out of my closet, and I've got this little space in the hallway here, and I've been going around my house looking for containers. Just random, whatever I can find.
While you're doing that, play a game with your kids, the Art Supply Finder game. Have them round up all of their old school supplies to stock your makerspace.
Let's see what I've got in here. I found this old little plastic set of drawers and this little plastic set of drawers. Even an old container we used to keep Legos in. Here's a retired school box that sounds like it still has some art supplies in it. An old sketchbook and a plate stand. Let's see what I can do with these things.
Once you have all your supplies, click on part 2 of creating a makerspace at home.